We are into manufacturing of transformers. So all these are low voltage transformers for electrical power for UPS applications. This was started by my uncle and my father before 18 years, and now it is going good. So we have other factory in Saudi also. There we are in joint venture with Falah Electric. Thing is, initially there was so much confusion in the system. Then everything we went manually, right from registering the inquiry till dispatch. Everything was manual, and it was hard for me to follow each and everyone individually. Now I could find everything in a single screen. I could find. We have marketing department here, then we have production. The order confirmation is raised by marketing, and production they are releasing BOM and work order and that process. I want all the information in a single page. That was the main idea, because each and every time I can't follow, because I might be traveling and customer is calling me. I don't have this data in front of me. I want to bring more accountability, which I can give. That accountability I was not getting, since it was like each and every department was taking under their control. So whatever they tell, I will have to just trust it. Whereas I don't have any accountability over it. So like finding more other customers and other verticals, because we are only concentrating on IT verticals. So now we can concentrate on CNC sectors and other sectors we can work. So that's kind of customer diversification can be done rather than focusing only on one sector. This was more user friendly. Thing is, like even like it was using a phone only, whereas other ERP whatever I see, they come for training only for particular department, and they will be having access to their department. The second thing is like the report that is being generated. That was again like generate report. It was easy, so everything was in my view. We didn't know on what is the price we are getting from the customers. I should go behind them and they should take the purchase order and they should show me. But now when they are raising order confirmation, I could find out what is the price we have confirmed. For MSME people, this will be the best solution.